viewers, welcome back again to your channel Rebecca Foods, a channel of easy and amazing recipe. If at all you are new in this channel, Rebecca Foods is a channel with African traditional recipes, modern and breakfast tips and ideas. So make sure you view my videos. If you love them, give them a like, share with your friends, and then subscribe if at all you are not subscribed. And then remember also to switch on to the notification bell so that whenever I post in a new video, you will be among the first people to receive my videos. Otherwise, for the returning subscribers, I salute you so much for returning back. Thank you so much. And then make sure you view and you share my videos. In our today's mango recipe, which is the last one, I'm going to do mango crunchy sausage recipe. That is sausage which has been made by mango and is very crunchy. So guys, kindly watch this video until the end. Wow. I have one mango. I have my sausages here with me. I have one egg. So I have paprika, but if you don't, you can also add black pepper. And then I have my breadcrumbs here, and I have some salt to taste. And for this breakfast tip, I'm going to use vegetable cooking oil. But if you use butter, guys, remember I've always told you that when you're making breakfast, best butter is best. In fact, butter instead of vegetable cooking oil. So let's cook. I was just boiling my water. I will start by boiling my sausages. We are going to boil these sausages for about 5 minutes. Yes, after 5 minutes, so don't overdo it. This is just here. Sausages are still cooling down. I'll go ahead and get the paste for mangoes. So guys, try this mango recipe. It's very, very tasty and the sausage is crunchy. So as usual, you should have fried smelly mangoes like mine here. And for this, so guys, these are my mangoes, so stay tuned. Mango paste, I'm going to change everything in here. So what I'm going to do, you leave a space like from here, you make sure you cut, and you have to be gentle. You have to be gentle. So make sure it is this way, guys. See this? So put it aside. Take this, you take a measurement, you leave a space like this, then you cut it in the middle and make sure that it is well cut. When you change to the other side, same space. So you have to be gentle. Look at this, guys. Put it aside. That's the last one. prepared sausages. So I had one egg here. I'm going to beat my egg here and then make sure sausages already have salt. So we are only going to put salt in the breaded. So make sure you beat everything, the mango and the egg well until it becomes a bit heavier like this. Guys, you can see it's a bit heavier. So stay tuned. So I have my breadcrumbs here. I'm going to add in my breadcrumbs. So this is where I'm going to add the paprika. This is hot. Then mix everything. If you have black pepper, this is the best time to put your black pepper. So stay tuned. So mix up the paprika, salt, and if you add black pepper, this is the right time to put. So guys, next my sausage, I will soak it in here or marinate it with that, and make sure even the inner part stands. Then from here, put it here. Marinate it with this. Make sure every part of it has the marinade. So stay tuned. This one again. Make sure you marinate the inside part. Then the breadcrumbs. Make sure every part of it has the breadcrumbs part. So sometimes you can use your hands just to make sure that the inside part of it is well done. So guys, you see this? And the breadcrumbs or crunchy sausages. So guys, as you can see, some of them are not crispy. We're going to do it for the second time. So this crunchy whatever mango. So here I am. So these are my mango crunchy sausages. You see how they look so that they don't get burned, guys. Wow. So guys, see, I'm going to take them out. Wow, look at this, guys. So stay tuned. Awesome. So guys, look at my sausages, mango crunchy sausages. So this is how it is. If you want to bread them again, you can as well do. So this is it. Guys, so much crunchy. My crunchy sausages. Wow. So nice, guys. I love this. So you can use this for breakfast. You can use it as a snack. You can just use it as an appetizer also. It's very nice and tasty and crunchy. Many ways of making foods. So this is mango recipe, guys, because it has the taste of the mango. The taste of the mango makes it also taste wow. So guys, kindly try out this recipe. Mango crunchy sausages. Very nice. Very tasty. Maybe if you can just have this. One might think it's a beef or something like that, but this is mango sausages. Guys, mango makes it even more tastier. Welcome.